Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in two different colors. The yarn is in size 4 medium. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Now for this stitch you need to chain multiples of 4, so I'll chain 20. So now that I've chained 20 for row 1, on the second chain from the hook I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain 1 single crochet. So I'll continue making 1 single crochet through each chain throughout row 1. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll turn my work around. Then I'll chain 4. Now I'll skip this first single crochet chain and through a second single crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through his next 2 chains I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain, and this is row 2. I'll chain 1. Now I'll skip the 1 chain and through the next 3 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. So 1, 2 and 3. I'll chain 1, then I'll skip the next chain and through the next 3 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. I'll chain 1, I'll skip 1 chain and through the next 3 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. 1, 2 and 3. I'll chain 1, then I'll skip 1 chain and through his last single crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3 I'll use yarn in different color. Then I'll turn my work around. I insert my hook right here through his first double crochet chain, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I will chain 1, then through that 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Through his next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Through his next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Through his next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same 1 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Now through his last loop I'll make 2 single crochet, and I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 3. This is all for today guys. I hope you liked this video and thank you so much for watching.